This is the tale of Sigiriya, Sri Lanka's magnificent lion rock. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine this. A giant rock fortress, nearly 200 meters high, rising out of a sea of green forests and gardens. On top of this rock is a palace, surrounded by golden ponds and ancient ruins. Below it, a world of art and mystery awaits. This is Sigiriya, a place unlike any other. Our story begins over 1,500 years ago with a king named Kashyapa. Kashyapa wasn't just any king. He was a man driven by ambition, creativity, and perhaps a little fear. He became king in a dramatic way, overthrowing his own father to take the throne. Some say he feared revenge from his brother, the rightful heir to the throne. To protect himself, Kashyapa decided to build a fortress so secure no one could ever harm him. And so he chose Sigiriya. But this wasn't just a place of safety. Kashyapa wanted Sigiriya to reflect his power, his creativity, and his love for beauty. It was to be more than a fortress, it was to be a paradise on earth. When you visit Sigiriya, the journey begins long before you climb the rock. At the base, you'll find gardens. Beautiful, symmetrical gardens with fountains that still work after all these centuries. These are the water gardens, boulder gardens, and terraced gardens, designed to dazzle anyone who arrived. Imagine walking through lush greenery with the sound of water trickling nearby and the sight of flowers blooming everywhere. As you climb higher, you'll pass the lion staircase, one of Sigiriya's most iconic features. The staircase was built between two giant stone paws that once belonged to a massive lion statue. While only the paws remain today, they are enough to give you a sense of how grand the original structure must have been. But Sigiriya isn't just about stone and bricks, it's also about art. Halfway up the rock, you'll come across the famous Sigiriya frescoes. These are vibrant, colorful paintings of beautiful women floating amidst clouds. No one knows exactly who they are. Some say they're celestial maidens, others say they're queens or dancers. The frescoes are painted with such detail and skill that they seem to glow, even after all these years. Standing in front of them, you can't help but wonder about the artists who created them and the stories they wanted to tell. Another fascinating feature is the mirror wall. It's not just a wall, it's a piece of history. Long ago, this wall was polished so smoothly that the king could see his reflection in it. Over time, visitors began writing poetry on the wall, words of admiration for the beauty of Sigiriya and its frescoes. These writings, called Sigiri graffiti, are still there, giving us a glimpse into the thoughts and feelings of people who visited centuries ago. When you finally reach the top, the view will take your breath away. You'll find the ruins of Kashyapa's palace, with its foundations still intact. You can almost imagine the king standing there, looking out over his kingdom, feeling invincible. Around the palace are pools and gardens where the king and his court would have spent their time relaxing and enjoying the beauty of nature. From up here, you can see the forests, lakes, and villages stretching far into the horizon. It's a moment that makes you feel connected to history and nature at the same time. But every great story has its twists. King Kashyapa's rule didn't last forever. According to legend, his brother eventually returned with an army to take back the throne. Kashyapa, feeling betrayed by his people, rode into battle but met a tragic end. After his death, Sigiriya was abandoned and eventually became a monastery for Buddhist monks. Today, Sigiriya stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most incredible places to visit in Sri Lanka. It's more than a fortress or a palace. It's a symbol of human imagination, resilience, and the power of dreams. Sigiriya isn't just a place you see, it's a place you feel. When you walk through its gardens, climb its steps, and stand at its summit, you're not just exploring a historic site. You're traveling back in time, stepping into a world where art, nature, and ambition came together in perfect harmony. So, my friends, if you ever find yourself in Sri Lanka, don't miss the chance to visit Sigiriya. It's not just a rock, it's a masterpiece. Thank you for joining me today on Hidden Horizons. If you love this story,